Hi everyone, welcome to Kimono Diary by Mako. This channel is for the people who are planning to come to Japan and are interested with Japanese culture. It's already summer in Japan, especially in Tokyo. When I think of summer, I think of fireworks. This year also, gorgeous fireworks will light up a night sky all over the country. Let's get started. Number 1. Origin and development. The history of Japanese fireworks began with the technology of matchlock guns during the Sengoku period and flourished greatly during the Edo period. Gunpowder was introduced to Japan in the 16th century. During the Sengoku period, gunpowder technology developed along with the manufacture of matchlock guns, and this became the basis for the later fireworks manufacturing. Number 2. The rise of the Edo period. In the Edo period, about 266 years ago, fireworks developed as entertainment against a peaceful historical background. The Water God Festival held by Tokugawa Yoshimune, he was the shogun in Edo, on the Sumida River in 1733 is said to be the origin of the current Sumida River Fireworks Festival. Sumida River Fireworks Festival is very famous in Tokyo. As I live in Tokyo, so I have been to see the Sumida River fireworks sometimes. It was incredibly impressive and wonderful. Therefore, from the Edo period, fireworks became a summer tradition from the common people to enjoy very much. Number 3. Establishment as a culture. Fireworks have gone beyond mere entertainment and are now used as part of festivals, events. The momentary beauty of their blooming in the night sky has become deeply connected to the Japanese sense of transience and aesthetics. Do you understand the feeling of transience? Transience is a word that refers to something that is destined to be fleeting, something that is beautiful and delicate, but will soon be lost. Modern fireworks today, they're further evolving by being synchronized with music through computer control. By the way, in the Edo period, two major fireworks makers, Kagiya and Tamaya, competed for popularity. And people shout, Tamaya, Kagiya, still remains today as a remnant of that. Did you enjoy this video? Which era of fireworks would you like to travel back in time to? I would like to travel back into the night sky of Edo. It must have been fantastic. Next time, I'd like to introduce you about Japanese furniture. As I'm working as an interior designer in Japan, so please look forward to it. Until then, bye-bye.